Hello Taurians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is a you and them reading, which means that they are energies. On one side the energies will be yours and on the other side will be the energies of the person you are thinking of, and then the mutual energy or the outcome. Okay, so you just have to pick the sides whichever resonates with you. And obviously these readings are also general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energy is obviously on the one side and your partners on the other, so you have to please swap the characters or the sides according to your situation. And yes, for the personal readings the details are given in the description box below, and if you feel, you can check your moon sign as well as your name sign if this reading doesn't resonate with you. Okay, so let's see what are the Taurians. Nine of Swords, your energy, your partner, King of Wands. Mutual energy or the outcome, Eight of Wands. Okay, not bad. So at least for now. So with Taurians, you are worried over something. There is a lot of anxiety, sleepless nights, some tension is going on in your mind, and you are struggling to deal with this situation, whatever the situation is. Okay, so definitely you are struggling, spending sleepless nights. Something has happened perhaps in this relationship which is troubling you, and you really feel as if how you should sort it out, or perhaps you shouldn't have done it, something like that, and how should you come out of it. Obviously, so you are very troubled on this relationship. Some fight has happened, perhaps an argument, whatever. With the King of Wands, your partner, this person is sitting cool, calm, complacent, very knowledgeable, mature, not that affected. Obviously that you can see, this person is not that affected. Okay, and here as the mutual energy is the Eight of Wands, which is pretty good, which talks about communication. That means that people will sit together and talk. That's what I'm getting from these three cards. Now let's see, why is Knight of Swords here for? Ten of Cups, Page of Swords, and the Emperor. So don't worry Taurians, here with the Ten of Cups, with the Page of Swords, and with the Emperor, definitely if you are worrying about a commitment, if that is the cause of your tension, then don't worry. If that is the cause of whatever the cause is, there is definitely a new beginning here with the Page of Swords. The air will be cleared, there is a new beginning, and with the Ten of Cups, there is commitment coming in from this person. There is a commitment in this relationship, which is talking about sort of a stable commitment, a marriage, whatever you call it. It is a stable and a long-term commitment. There is a new beginning. You'll get some sort of an idea, some sort of clarity. Your thoughts, whatever is troubling you, will be sorted out. It will be solved. You will understand the situation, and with the Emperor, you are the leader over here. You will take the control back of the situation. So there is nothing to worry about, Taurians. It is just temporary. It is just temporary. It will be sorted out. You have the commitment coming in. If that is what is bothering you, and whatever it is giving you happiness, so it will be sorted out. Let's see, why do we have the King of Wands over here? The Ten of Swords, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Page of Wands. So definitely see here, come now. Though this person, as I said at that time, this person is sitting cool, calm, complacent, not affected much. But I think that's what they are just showing. That's what they are showing. Perhaps you are showing that you are tense. This person is not showing you that they are tense, but they are. Just see here with the Ten of Swords, they are also wounded, they are also hurt, they are also feeling bad about whatever has happened. But then again, just see, immediately is the Ace of Pentacles, a new beginning, stable, solid commitments, new beginning for your life. With the Page of Wands, definitely a new beginning over here. So there's nothing to worry. There is definitely this thing is definitely going to be sorted out. What I was getting here is that there has been some argument, some dispute, some verbal dispute, some heated argument. It can be there. Now let's see the Eight of Wands. Wow, one ace here with the Ten of Cups and the Ace of Swords. Ace is the Five of Wands and the Queen of Swords. So what I am getting here is that there is a communication, definitely. There is a back and forth communication which is coming in. So as a mutual energy, or the outcome for this situation as for now is that there will be a communication, definitely. And with the Ace of Swords, obviously it is a new beginning. Definitely you both will sit together. There will be again an argument or a discussion, obviously, which may be a little bit heated. With the Five of Wands, perhaps you both of you want to convince each other for some time and you are not able to convince each other. And with the Queen of Swords, what I feel here is that you will be, though there will be some sort of a discussion which may be a little bit hot discussion, or sorry, sort of argument or something like that, but that is not very serious, because with the Queen of Swords both of you will be a little bit guarded. Even if that is the energy in your mind, at least you will take care as to what words you are using. You will be guarded, both of you will be guarded as to what to say, because both of you want a new beginning. Okay, so it is a mutual energy, so you won't be just firing each other, because you both of you want it to continue, none of you want to end it. So since both of you have that feeling that you want to continue this relationship and you want to move on, and there is love here in the situation, so you will be taking that much, you will be using that much of common sense as to, you will be thinking about what you are speaking. Okay, so still there may be some sort of discussion or something, whatever it is, but it won't be a fight, and there is a definitely a new beginning which is coming in. With this communications, things will be sorted out, Taurians. That's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.